Hey, this is Fred Van Allen Associates with First Team Real Estate. I've been giving you a mark on your calendar, sneak preview of this home I'm having open right now. And yes, that is a horse tie-up post here. We have a number of them here in Lincoln Park Historic District. And this is the house open today, 10 till 1, and tomorrow 1 till 4 at 370 East Kingsley, Lincoln Park Historic District, Pomona. Half a mile or so below the 10 freeway between Gary and Town Avenue. Gorgeous house. Painted on the outside, lovely paint on the inside. Newer roof with 25-year warranty. Beautiful brick. Awesome curb appeal. So let's go ahead and have a look inside. And we have two entrances to the house. And we have a mountain view, yes. Here's one porch. And fireplace, dining room. Look at this. Do nothing in this place, central air. Filtered water system. Look at this kitchen. Another porch. 7,700 plus square foot lot, 2,200 plus square foot house, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Great for entertaining or for family. Big storage shed here. Beautiful finished garage with some storage space above. They use it as a kid's room and an office right now. Paved alley in back. 2-car garage, another 2 or 3 cars in the driveway. Room for an RV or a boat. I think it's built, I believe it's 1911. Boy, they don't build them like they used to either. Old growth redwood. Seldom have termite problems with these houses. They just don't build them like this anymore. It's the best. Let's go ahead and go back inside. Beautiful windows with lots of original glass. Here's the hallway into the bedroom area. There's one bedroom. And in here, we've got indoor laundry. Gotta have indoor laundry, right? Another bedroom. Bath, shower in the tub. Another bedroom there. So folks, if you're looking for downstairs bedrooms, you've got it. Let's go upstairs now where the primary suite is. Lovely covered stairway all the way up, so no clip-clop on these things. Two large closets. A little vanity area. And why not turn the lights on, right? How's this for a nice shower? So here you go, primary suite upstairs. Place has it all, folks. Open again tomorrow, 10 till 4. Today, 1 till 4, 370 East Kingsley, Lincoln Park Historic District, Pomona, California. Come on by and have a look. Take care.